Hello, I'm Sid. Today we will be learning about ForEach Polyfill. We will be implementing our custom ForEach function. An array has the ForEach function. We will see the implementation of the ForEach function. We can see that the ForEach function is accepting one callback function. And this ForEach function doesn't return anything. That's the reason we are having void as the return type. In this callback function, we will be accepting a value, an index, and the whole array. So whenever we iterate through each and every element of the array, we will be accessing the value, that means the element of the array, and we will be accessing the index position of that element. Also, we will be accepting the whole array. The first parameter will be an element. The second one will be an index. And the third parameter will be the whole array. So the same array will be passed as the third parameter. We will be iterating through each and every element of the array, and we will be logging the element, the index position, as well as the length of the whole array. All the elements as well as their corresponding index position and the length of the whole array is getting printed over here. Now we will be creating our custom ForEach function. Every array constructor comprises of a prototype property. This prototype property allows us to inherit common properties and methods in all of the arrays. Prototype allows to share the common properties and methods throughout all of the arrays. We can see that this prototype is having all of the functions that can be accessed via an array. We will be creating our own function. This ForEach Polyfill function will be acting just like a ForEach function. So in this, we will be accepting one callback function. In this ForEach function, we can see that we are iterating through each and every element of the array, and they are accessible in this callback function. In order to iterate through each and every element, we will be using a simple for loop. In order to iterate till the last element of the array, we need the length of the array. In order to get the length of the array, we will be using this keyword. So this keyword will be referencing to this array. Since this keyword is referencing to an array, it can access all of its properties as well as the functions. So we are able to access the length property of the array. We can see that whenever we are iterating through each and every element, we are calling this callback function over and over again. Therefore, we will be also calling the callback function. In this callback function, we can see that the first parameter will be an element, the second one will be the index position, and the third one will be the whole array. So we will be passing the same arguments in this callback function. in callback function, the first argument is going to be the element. This keyword will be referring to the array, and with the help of the index position, we will be able to access the specific element. So as the index increments, we will be iterating through each and every element in the array. The second argument is going to be the index itself. So we are just going to pass this index. The third argument is going to be the whole array. This keyword is referring to array. That's the reason we have just passed this. Let's test our ForEach Polyfill. We can see that our ForEach Polyfill is working exactly like the ForEach provided by JavaScript. We can see that we are getting the same result over here. We are getting the element, index position, and the length of the array. Thank you for watching. Please like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel.